Hey, Queen ng ina niyong lahat!
Hello!
Welcome
Hey
to our
guys,
Drag Race recap.
we're back again.
Yes. I remember last year, sabi natin we're gonna review All Stars 10 saka Season 17 saka Dragula, di ba? Ano nangyari? Yay!
Drawing.
We're so busy.
Kinain ng trabaho.
Ayun pala guys, we were supposed to record na magkakasama pero since it's been raining this past few days, yun, we decided to record sa Zoom na lang. So,
Safety first, of course.
Okay, so this season we are back to discuss Drag Race Philippines Slation Royale.
Yes!
I think the much awaited installment ng Drag Race Universe this year for me. How about you guys?
Yeah, it's been a while talaga, no? Parang we've always been asking for an All-Star season sa Philippines and finally it happened na.
Yes,
So, we're
actually.
excited.
Okay, so wait lang. So we've all seen yung Meet the Queens
We've
video.
all seen yes.
Yeah, naging British po.
Na-meet
Nakakainis.
the Queens, yes. We've all seen it.
It was, I think, one of the best teasers, no? Ng
Okay.
Drag Race season. Only next to season 6. For me, that's still the
Budget talaga, be. Budget. Gulat
Yeah,
ako.
I like-
nila dun, like heritage, elements, like
Parang feeling Asian,
Parang cool, parang goddesses, ganun ba?
okay.
Mga warrior goddess
Kasi may
Yeah.
element ng fire, ng
na
water.
Asian, ganun.
Para ba siyang, ano yun?
Avatar.
Or something. Avatar, yes. Oo.
Para last airbender dating niya, ano.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually giving outfits. No? Parang ang ganda.
Walang
Even the
tapon.
poster, so good.
I
Yeah.
agree.
So we're gonna talk about the looks, what we like, what we didn't like, and yun lang. Parang we just wanted to share our thoughts regarding sa first Slation Royale ng Philippines. So, yun.
Yeah, general observation or opinion dun sa Queen din, right? Especially kung napanood ng nandito sa panel, sorry, joke lang, yung season nung
Yung season nila, yeah. Original.
Okay. All right. Let's start with the first queen sa Meet the Queens, Arizona Brandy.
Alak pa, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun.
Our vape queen.
Totoo, contact lens queen.
Yes.
Na-mention niya sa ano niya, diba? Meet the Queens niya, nakakain siya ng iba't ibang contact lens pa rin.
Oo.
Nakaka-DPS, pero...
Kahit daw
Explain
nakakadili.
daw niya. Like, next time daw maybe
Veneers daw niya.
veneers.
Yes.
Sa
Grabe.
fairness na, English na siya. Very English ready siya.
Yes.
Yep.
Tsaka grabe improvement ni Arizona, feeling ko in terms of looks. Kasi di ba natin yung look niya sa season 2. Tapos ito may ipakita mo like, I think this is one of the top 3 looks sa promo. Sobrang nice. Nice siya.
Nice. Wait, sino kasi yun? Si UD from last season.
Ate,
Ay, tama ba? Ay, hindi. Si
Hindi.
Verushka.
Si Verushka,
Oh my God. Kasi pinaro din na nila UD
Cute
at
siya,
Jake
nice
Wayne.
siya.
Okay, sa challenge. Alright. So,
yes.
I'm lost in the weeds of references. I'm so sorry.
Yes. Sobrang daming reference eh. Pero grabe, no? Yung like details, like zooming in sa mga details. Grabe, no?
Yeah.
It's
Like
part-
the fan.
Pinaghalo siyang parang pre-colonial and colonial era.
Ang
Parang
tao.
ganun.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Ang
Saka
ganda
ang
nung
funny.
Yeah.
Saka ang fan niya sa Meet the Queens. Tawan-tawa ako sa kanya.
Was about to say, like, parang she has grown to be one of the funniest queens from the Drag Race PH franchise.
Oh, actually,
Even after nung season niya, di ba? Kasi
online.
exposure online, right? Pati sa Bring Back My Girls episode nila,
Nakakatawa siya doon.
sobrang nakakatawa niya.
Tawan-tawa si
Yeah.
sa kanya. Si Maddie.
ano talaga, nakakatuwa na she's back on her screen kasi sobra yung personality niya no season 2. So feeling ko mas times 10 pa yung ibibigay niya this season. Lalo na may budget na siya for the looks. So I think she's gonna go really, really far.
If any indication yung look niya sa Meet the Queens, I'm excited.
There's budget,
Consistent.
mama.
Yes,
Mhm.
the budget is budgeting.
Yeah. Ang ganda pati ng gold, like yung fan, like everything is so intricately made. Even the, like the boots ba yan?
Ang ganda ng boots na, yung thigh high.
Yeah. This is one of my top 3 looks for this, lineup.
Agree. Pati yung wig ang ganda.
Actually.
Yung wig.
Probably my
Gusto ko
favorite.
yung sleeves. Ang ganda ng sleeves. Yung Filipiniana sleeves. Yung intricate details. Ang ganda.
Proceed na ba with our next queen?
Yes. Can't wait to proceed.
Bernie from season 2 of Drag Race.
Yes. Si Diday.
What do you like about her look?
Correct.
Gusto ko na it stayed true to her brand na parang warrior princess. So, kilala mo agad na si Bernie.
Yeah, agree. Like, I'm excited to see her again kasi di ba parang Diday is always known or Bernie has always been known for like lip syncs sa sa dancing skills niya and yun, sa performance ability talaga. So I'm excited to see her again. And in terms of the look, for me, it's in the middle of the road. Like, I love that she's stayed in her brand, but I feel like comparing to the other queens, it could have been elevated.
Was about to say parang you're looking for elevation.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it was still a good.
Kasi yung taas nung nung parang standard nilang 12 dito. So when we say it's not as good, sabihin hindi siya pangit. Pero alam mo yung, kasi ang taas eh.
Yes.
So compared to the other queens lang na medyo nakulangan lang ako. Baka pwede naging parang details yung cave, ganon.
Yeah.
Or baka pwede naging ganyan ng tattoos yung katawan niya. Parang warrior. Yung warriors noon, di ba sa Pinas? They have many tattoos. Parang ganun sana ang detail.
So let's proceed with our next queen.
An icon.
Yes. Si Mama Briggs. So here guys, comments and thoughts.
Mother of the House of Ding. Gusto ko yung headdress saka yung parang sun spear. Grabe. It looks expensive. Para siyang
it's a
costume ng
costume or something.
Yeah. Sobrang parang Hollywood levels yung quality. For me.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Halatang may pera siya, no? Ang sobrang...
Halatang may budget, may vision.
Everything's there, yeah. And also, gusto ko rin na medyo ang strong ng projection niya dun sa Meet the Queen sa parang nakabuka ka siya.
Nakabuka ka? Kala mo kuya mo lang.
Nakakatawa eh.
Nakaman-spread si bakla.
Oo. Kasi yung niya, parang meron siyang tawag
yung bahag.
Crotch part. Yung parang bahag.
Tapos yung bagay niya ata siya, hindi siya cloth. Metal ata, hindi niya masara.
Actually, oo. Yeah. I also agree with Dayang. I like the headpiece and yung parang niya, like, equipment. Anong tawag dyan?
Yung spear.
Spear. Oo, like it's so well done. And then, parang papasa sa Sailor Moon character, ganun, like, thing like that. Tapos gusto ko din na yung cape niya is different color from the gold outfit, para lang may break siguro. So,
ganda ng contrast ng blue sa yellow.
Yes. Giving Enyu Bulldogs.
Gusto ko rin yung clear shoe niya. Ay, sorry.
Clear shoe. Alright.
I love her clear shoe. Kasi maganda na yung...
sabi niya sa Meet the Queens niya. Isa siya doon sa mga nagkasabi, nakita niya ba yung meme na yun, na parang ulit sila na, how do you know if you're a Filipino? Parang inulit-ulit nila yung words. Like, keratin. Like,
yeah. What can we expect from her? Or what do you expect from Brigading? Kasi especially medyo underappreciated siya nung season 1.
Ako, to be honest, I didn't like how they treated her. Like, they kept asking for her branding. Her branding is Brigading.
Ang branding niya Okay, go.
I really felt bad for her. She's an icon, she's a legend, she's so good. Next is Miss Ivory Glaze.
Ivory Glaze from Down Under 3. Right.
Siya yung hinimatay. Siya yung hinimatay.
Hinimatay?
Nag-pass out sa stage. Muntik mag-pass out.
Siya yung hinimatay. Tapos parang medyo nag-viral yung edit nung kay Vinyas. Tapos imbis na si Turing, siya yung in-insert. Tapos she
Pero
was,
nahimatay talaga siya. Like,
yeah, siya talaga
literal.
yung, lumapit talaga yung ano, tapos tumumba siya.
Okay. Ano daw
Tapos,
reason why?
di ko maalala, pero nag-lip sync siya the next episode na lang. Sa simula ng next episode. Di ba? Kakaiba.
Mm.
And second out siya.
Second out, okay. Tama.
Yeah.
Pero she's kind of a fan favorite nung season niya. Alam ko when it was airing. Right? Si
And she's
Ivor.
so pretty and she's so cute.
Yep.
And likable siya.
Very cute.
Pero ayun, kasi stacked yung season niya.
And also very engaging
Ito,
online.
ano,
Parang nakuha niya yung loob ng fans. Like,
Mga Pinoy.
mga Pinoy, I think so too. Kasi she's also a fan of yung Drag Race Philippines
And
franchise.
she's a very good-looking guy outside of drag. So, I think it's some factor yun.
That makes her a better drag queen pero yeah. Plus points, I guess. No, at least personally for me. Nakita na ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And ganda ng suot niya.
I think she's an interesting one. Parang meron siyang dark horse energy. So, yun. Excited to see what she brings to the table.
Mhm. I also like that she's very self-aware. I think yun yung something unique about her. And laging ang saya panoorin ng mga ganong klaseng characters on TV. At least for me.
How about her look, guys? What can you say about it?
Ganda. Ang linis.
For me, then, it's safe. Parang it's not standing out, but it did what it need to do. So, ayun. I guess parang lang. Siguro, I don't like na super covered niya. Parang I want more.
Next, Kiana.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Does she still go with with the K or Kiana na lang?
I'm not
Kiana.
sure.
So Kiana, the fan favorite of season 3 Drag Race Philippines.
As a maximalist din.
Yes, so nice. Grabe.
Grabe.
Like the heel, like
The
parang
culture.
inspired ba siya ng tribes, no? Parang tribal yung dating niya.
I think it's inspired by the local indigenous groups yata, if I remember right. Ng Mindanao or ng South. Yeah, it's
Yes.
inspired by that, the culture in Mindanao.
Yes.
Ganda.
So, yung niya, no? Headpiece, the complete look. There's a vision talaga. Tapos,
The
and like,
headpiece sold it for her.
like, so nice. Even her makeup, tapos yung earrings, yung parang accessories niya sa face, it suits everything. Parang it's a complete package for me.
It's
Okay.
very medyo nahe-heavyan ako dun sa baba pero I think that's what she's going for.
Yeah.
And very strong yung visuals or yung image that she's trying to project here. And I think very memorable.
Yes.
Okay.
And from what I remember, I'm not sure kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko. I think Hannah Beshi made this look. Tama ba?
Helped her. I think so.
Yeah. So props to Hannah Beshi for creating and curating a nice garment. Okay. May na-expect ba kayo from Kiana this season?
Oo. I expect her to be on top.
Yeah. I think major contender siya. I mean,
Yeah,
she's shown us sa season niya previously, right?
Grabe yung showing niya ng season 3 eh. Top 2 pa siya.
Correct.
Totoo. Parang in terms of like performance, design, and I think yung pag mga comedy challenges, I guess she'll do well. So I'm excited to see what she'll
funny din siya.
Same.
May mga narinig lang ako na like stories here and there.
Oh yes, na
Yes.
Like villain of the season? Rumors?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, na mayabang daw siya pagpasok.
Ooh, okay. No, we kind of saw that nung di ba? Parang latter part ng season 3. So, I'm actually excited to see it kung totoo.
I want a villain, not a bad person, but alam mo yung good TV villain.
Yeah, like a cutthroat competitor, diba?
Na shady.
Yes. Doing the most na si Kiana.
Love it for her.
Totoo pala sinasabi ni verse 6.
Doing the most, babes.
Okay, so our next queen is from Drag Race France. Season 2, Miss Kitty Space, another trans queen.
Dalawa sila this season bale, no? Bernie
Yeah.
and
Bernie.
DT Space.
She placed 9th, yes, and she's of Vietnamese descent.
Oh.
So she's wearing a burning red outfit, very reminiscent of the Vietnamese flag, gold and yellow and red.
Actually. Kayo ba guys? Anong thoughts niyo sa look ni Kitty Space?
Una kong napansin is yung mata niya, yung anime eyes, paandar.
Actually. I think lang the production did her dirty sa photo na to. Parang, alam mo yun, ang awkward ng pose.
Ang
Parang
awkward
hindi ko
na nakabuhat.
post it.
Is it too
Hindi ko na-
provocative, Char?
Medyo awkward nga.
Or unflattering?
Yeah.
Oh, ang flat nung angle nung pag ganun niya, parang katabi tapos, alam mo yun, hindi siya dalagang Vietnamese, ganyan.
From what I can remember from her run dun sa season niya, medyo parang I kind of remembered her as a quiet parang personality dun sa
Yes.
season. So hindi
Pero-
talaga siya doon nag-pop.
Kasi one
Pero
of my favorite seasons ever. Ang season 2 ng
Fiona
Friends.
for the win, Sarah
Yeah, so
Forever.
maganda lang season niya.
Yeah, pero I was kind of surprised by her like parang showing dito sa Meet the Queens na parang medyo maboka siya, alam mo yun.
Yes, ang
Parang
harap
lumabas
niya.
ang personality niya. I kind of like that about her. Parang may evolution of sorts, I guess. Pero mas gusto ko yung looks niya dun sa season 2 kaysa dito sa Meet the
Look queen siya. Oo, look
Diba?
queen siya eh.
Anyway, yeah, excited to see her. So, next queen,
Madame Yoko.
Madam Yoko. Yes.
What's her specialty? Is she a look queen, a comedy queen?
From what I can remember about her season, kasi hindi ko siya ganun ka-bias. Bias ko yung top 2, si Alville dito sa si Laville. Pero, okay naman siya, kaya nga I really wanted her to go farther. Pero sa Meet the Queens, parang hindi ko siya ganun ka-feel.
Yeah.
Hindi ako nag-connect sa kanya.
Okay.
Masyado. But I like her hair.
Pinaka-least nag-connect actually sa...
But I like her hair. It's giving like Madame, diba? Madame Dragon-ish.
Actually. For me lang medyo may disconnect yung look. Kasi parang inside, parang it's giving Power Ranger-ish. Tapos yung parang kimono naman niya is very traditional. So parang may onting disconnect for me. But yeah, ang ganda nung headpiece niya, yung
Yung
wig.
hair, ganda.
The hair is
Good
good.
observation, actually, John.
Medyo off yung bodysuit with the kimono.
Mhm.
Ay, okay yung top half nung look sa loob eh.
Mhm. Yeah.
I wish parang golds, parang hakama pants na wide pants na lang sana. Or skirt na lang parang yukata.
Mhm.
Ganun na lang sana ginawa.
Oo.
But the hair is
So,
laid.
yung brief din talaga is siguro gusto nila parang warrior-ish talaga. So baka yun yung warrior element niya, no? Baka yun din yung reason why.
Bodysuit, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero agree with Dayang, good hair. Ganda. So I'm expecting her to give good hair this season.
Hair.
Masabi na lang. Anyway, yeah, moving on to our next
Sayang po 3.
Kapkon ka. Sawadi ka.
Sayang po 3. Siya yung girl na pagpasok niya, no one knows her. Yeah, kasi from what I can remember, alam ko she was staying in the US for a few years.
Mhm.
So kaya din niya kilala ibang queens. Kasi very tight-knit ang queens ng Thailand, di ba?
Yeah. That's what I heard or read online din. Na parang,
sino yan? Hindi siya kilala ng mga queens.
ganun yung experience ng season and parang there was a question na parang you should not be representing Thailand. Kasi sa US ata siya naka-base or something. May ganung sabi
Yeah, San Francisco.
Okay.
Yeah.
But ang fun niya sa Meet the Queens, like parang isa siya sa mga
Cute niya.
ang light ng energy ng aura. I like that she was singing. Entertaining.
Kamukha rin si Mama Pao sa picture.
Actually, di ba mga comments na online na ba't pinasali daw si Mama Pao sa Station Royal?
Ang ganda ng mukha, oh.
Actually, Mamapaw na mamapaw.
Sa ating gusto ko na sexy pero marami pa rin details.
Oo. True. Ang ganda ng top part for me. Tapos yung bottom part, parang nagmukha siyang lingerie. I mean, like, feeling ko naman intentional siya. Pero yung, for me, disconnected lang din siya ulit. Kasi yung top part is very, talaga, sobrang detailed and parang yung feeling ko yung bottom part medyo kulang. Feeling ko parang, dapat may, I don't know, parang boots, or para makover lang I mean, like,
Knee-high boots. For me, knee-high boots, the gold.
Yes. Intentional naman siya for sure, but may disconnect for me.
So, perfect na yun. Knee-high boots yun lang. Iba yung gusto ko na. Kasi ang ganda eh.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Ang ganda ng headpiece. Like, everyone, parang yun yung trend.
Yung shoulders.
Oo, headpiece talaga.
Everyone's giving good headpiece.
Hey! So, yung cone bra. Yeah. I like the cone bra. I think was she the only one who did this sa Meet the Queens?
Giving kay Madonna.
Madonna, diba?
Love her.
Okay, next. Hey!
An icon, once again.
Suki Doll from Drag Race Canada Season 2, no? Tama?
Yeah. Went home too soon.
Too soon, I agree. One of my faves, actually, nung onset nung season. Yeah.
Ever. One of my faves ever.
Mm-hmm.
Let's welcome to the stage, Sasa Girl. Ay, sorry.
Actually, meron ka eh. Meron nga.
Diba? Sasa Girl, drag queen variant.
Yeah,
I can see it. Yeah, pero I think siya yung marunong talaga mag-sew, no? Like, she makes garments talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For winners. She made for Isis and Brooklyn.
Mm-hmm.
And for Miss Fersalicious.
So I feel like she's gonna slay a design or like the ball challenge, no?
Ako for me, Brave. Tapang ako na. Top 4.
Oh, okay.
For me. I'm claiming it.
Strong competitor, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Like parang she can give yung strong PH queens a run for their money. Dun sa mga foreign participants, right?
Yeah. So far. And she went home too soon. 4th out. 9th place.
Nagkaroon ba ng like, umawat ba siya doon ng design challenge yung season niya? Or hindi na siya nakaabot?
Hindi ko kasi ganun kabit yung season.
Yeah, hindi ko
bet yung season niya masyado.
Mm-hmm.
I do like yung season niya. Like parang for me. Maganda siya.
Masyado bet.
Si episode 1 is design challenge. Yung si Isis yung nanalo and runner-up yung si Stephanie Prince.
Yeah. Hi sila ni Stephanie.
Mm-hmm.
Suki and Stephanie. One of my favorite looks.
Yes. So nice.
Can't wait for her.
Mas meron siya mga parang burloloy sa face. Like, ang tawag dyan?
Parang piercings. Ganun.
Piercings? Yes.
Or jewelry sa face. Ganda.
Sila lang ni Kiana ating gumawa nun, no?
Yes.
Sa face.
Baka na yan. Kasi multicultural siya. Baka one of her cultures. She's Vietnamese, Chinese, and Cambodian. Baka isa sa siya.
Yeah.
So, lang siya pagkukunan na cultures. Ganda. Galing.
Next to the stage, Something Wrong.
The OG Asian UK doll.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba siya yung first Asian sa UK? Tama ba?
Yeah, UK contestant. Ganda ng face niyan. For me.
Actually.
Ganda ng face niya.
Yes. And anong expect natin kay Something Wrong this season?
I expect her to be funny. Kasi funny siya eh.
May pagka-rough around the edges yung looks niya from season 1 ng UK. Pero yung concept is always there. Very creative.
Siya ba yung coin? Siya yung coin,
yung
no?
Coin.
Ang iconic, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's very funny. Actually, even yung performance na nung sa Snatch Game where she went home, it's actually benta naman kahit papano.
Hindi pangit.
Happens na ang galing. Like, si Donald Trump ni the Vivian, rest in peace.
Kasi mo naman mga kasama mo, Vivian, Sumalangit. Vivian Divina, Baga Chips, Cheryl Hole. Diba? Mga kasama mo, mga mabigat. Siyempre, parang ang hirap ng pantayan.
Stacked. Yeah.
Oo, grabe yung cast ng season 1.
He looks very good. Simpler side, again, yung one of the simpler looks sa Meet the Queens, pero she looks pretty. Yeah.
Malinis. Medyo malinis yung look niya. It's giving,
Mhm.
Yeti.
Mhm.
Diba? Like,
Yeah.
Winter Yeti, magician.
Yes, T.
Yes. For me lang, sana yung sa parang back part, medyo mahaba sana yung white feather doon.
And
Like,
mas malaki pa.
yun lang siguro. I think
Saka
that would,
nabother ako sa boots. Parang dinikit lang na cotton yung Snow White. Yung parang dinikit lang.
Yeah. Before we move on to the next queen, parang isa siya sa may pinaka-funniest na sinabi dun sa interview niya. Sabi niya like parang yung meet and greet line daw niya parang Shine Factory.
Parang
Ano
Sheen
daw?
Factory. Puro mga chain.
Oh my
Ang gago niya. Pero ganun
Yun yung lamang niya eh.
humor.
Nakakatawa siya eh. Yun yung
And
lamang
Asian
niya.
siya. She can make that joke.
So our next queen, I'm claiming it, gonna win Charis.
Hey!
Pero ayun,
Forecast.
fan of her since Meet the Queens sa season 1. So I'm really excited. Ito talaga yung queen na nilook forward ko this season. So I'm really excited that she's back. And yun, I'm rooting for her.
Mrs. Ito doon na. Yes.
That's the
Is
luck.
that her song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mrs. Laban. Yes. Rooting for her also.
Yeah, kasi I feel like kung hindi siya na-endure nung season 1, she'll make it far. Pero ayun nga.
Another multifaceted triple threat queen, no?
Quadruple threat.
Looks, quadruple threat, yeah. Ayun, looks,
Funny,
Same.
looks, personality.
performance,
Comedy.
acting, comedy, everything. Yeah.
CUNT. Top 4 ko to eh. Nung season niya.
Went home too soon.
Yeah. Yes, went home too
So
soon.
for-
So I'm really excited.
And fan favorite siya.
Yeah. Siniklaim ko na naabot siya ng top 2. Tapos she'll take home the crown. I'm manifesting it.
Si Airtime, oh yes. And the meme queen. The gravity is inside the popcorn.
Oo, sa kanyang catchphrase, no? Like, oh my God.
Yung
Sa ilang
beef and popcorn.
Anak ba daddy mo?
Yung entrance ng tuwalya. And yung damit. Parang
Yeah.
it's giving
Lapu-lapu.
Santo Niño na lapu-lapu.
Yes.
Si yung brown, yung suot ng mga santo, yung brown. Parang ganun. Ang ganda.
Oo. I don't know if I'm being biased, but this is my favorite look sa Meet the Queens. Maybe I am.
Girl
But-
lang yan, babe. Tingnan mo naman yan. Sino ba kami?
Wala lang. For me, ang ganda ng look kasi parang maybe not the boots. Sana medyo customized pa. But everything apart from the boots is top-notch.
Sickening. Next and last.
Oh, yes.
The winner of All Stars 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Mama Yuha.
Yes.
The winner of season
Like
1 to
Queen.
17. The winner of all seasons.
Oo. When yung inside joke sa kanya, she's the winner of all seasons daw.
Mhm.
I love a long train sa outfit talaga. I love a long train. And she's a garment maker, right? She makes her own outfits along with other queens, di ba?
Sana lang yung, again, parang yung detail sa taas, sana nasa baba din. But overall, it's nice for me.
Yung afterthought na lang yung baba.
Kasi yun nga, again, the top part is always giving. Tapos yung bottom part, I guess, parang medyo kulang lang.
Ang akin sana may parang ruffles pa or gold din sana yung baba.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's a
Ang
train
ganda.
sa baba. Yeah, I like
Tapos
the
parang,
ruffled tassels and thingy dun sa hat and sa may bandang waist.
And let's look at the face. Ang ganda ng makeup niya.
Like the US queens are very excited for her. Like nakita ko yung post sa Instagram niya, pinost ng promo look niya. Like parang sabi nga ni Aquaria, ano daw, like parang the rightful winner of season 10. Sabi niya ganun. And also yung other, from other seasons.
Ano kasi yung
One
US,
naman
diba?
na just getting the support.
Na na RuPaul girly. Na Drag Race girly
Yeah.
na yung season na to.
Yeah.
mm-mm.
I hope i-expose na yung PH franchise to, more audiences.
PH and Thai. Yung iba pang franchise. No?
Yep.
Kasi grabe yung
Yes.
PH
Mm-mm.
cast dito. Hindi mo sa magiging bias.
Yeah,
Pero
to
be,
be
sorry
honest,
ha,
the cards are stacked against the non-PH queen.
like 7 yung non-PH, tapos 5 yung PH. Pero,
All
no offense,
strong queens.
puro early outs yung, no offense ha, just stating
Mhm.
facts, puro early outs yung sumali. Kaya I was expecting na parang may mga iba pa.
Yeah. I hope they're reserving them for another installment of Station Royale. Yun na lang iniisip ko.
Or global or whatever. All-stars lang na.
Maybe.
I was expecting Aurora Matrix, to be honest, from
Matrix.
Canada. And Kimi Couture. I was expecting her.
Yep.
Anime Wong from Thailand Season 1.
Mhm.
And Kana Warrior and Candy Zionite from Thailand Season 2. Dami pang Asian queens eh.
Yeah, masyadong malaki yung name, pero si Anitra, I'm not sure if she's gonna do, parang another drag race show.
Girl, you never know.
Maybe. Let's see. Alright. Segueing back to Station Royale, sino yung early bets or favorites natin?
So kung may top 4 ako, it would be sa PH side, ang hirap pumili sa PH side. Si Lilimang yung paborito ko eh. Pero kung tig-dalawa, Bernie and Viñas for Philippines. Ako ha. Tapos si Sukidal and si Yua.
Okay.
So yun yung 4 ko. Pero sa outfits.
Okay.
Sa outfits pala, Suki, Viñas, and Kian.
Like sa runway? Okay, runway queens. Alright.
Dito sa
sa promo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Promo. Yeah.
Kayo?
Ako for me, queen that I would like to win the season, of course, Viñas. Parang, I'm just really excited to see her. And then in terms of the overall outfits sa Meet the Queens, I'll give it to Arizona. Kasi parang ang ganda talaga nung gold na parang Filipiniana warrior goddess look niya. So, yun.
Yeah, I agree. Same tayo dun sa Meet the Queens na fashion outfit. I like Arizona Brandy the most. Tapos, I guess early bet ko or favorite from this cast, from the PH side, si Arizona din and si Bernie. And from the foreign Asians talaga, nakakainis. Same tayo dayang, si Suki at saka si Yua. Okay.
I'm excited. August 13 na siya, no? We'll be reviewing it. So
we are gonna review the season. Yes. Bye, guys. Next time, na tayo? Nasa iisang room. Huh?
Yes, we'll be in person na.
Okay, bye!
Bye!
Bye. Wait lang. Ano muna tayo? Mag-post lang tayo ng slowly para meron tayong thumbnail, yeah. Okay, sino magde-direct?
Capture ba?
Hindi, kahit hindi na. Like, parang i-screenshot ko na lang. Like, para mag-post lang tayo na mag-post slowly.